Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and today I'm going to be telling you all about Passover, what it is, how we celebrate, and of course, what do we eat. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I put out videos all year round on how to celebrate Jewish holidays with your family. So what is Passover? Passover is one of our biggest Jewish holidays. It comes right out of the Torah. We are commanded to retell the story of the Exodus from Egypt. Remember how we were once slaves in the land of Egypt and all of the circumstances that led to us becoming free. We are also commanded to eat a flat cracker called matzah for 8 days. As the story goes, the Jews were in such a rush to leave Egypt that they didn't have time to let their bread rise. So instead of normal risen bread, we eat matzah. This is also our biggest family holiday. This is where everyone gets together at someone's house to celebrate the holiday. And if people were to travel to see loved ones for a Jewish holiday, this would be the number one holiday that they would travel for. Now, how do we celebrate? Well, like I said, we all get together around a big dinner table and we have what's called a Seder, Passover Seder. It is like a service mixed with a big feast where we retell the story of the Exodus from Egypt using a lot of different symbolism. On any Seder table, you will find matzah. You will also find a Seder plate, just like this. On a Seder plate, there are 6 different symbolic items that we say blessings over to remind us of the story. So, for example, there will be horseradish, which is a bitter herb to remind us of the bitterness of slavery. We have parsley that we dip in salt water to remind us of the tears of the slaves. But we are also supposed to have joy at our Seder. We are supposed to recline because while we were once slaves, we are now able to feast like kings and queens. We are supposed to drink 4 glasses of wine. There's a lot of joyous singing and traditional songs that go on during a Seder. And we symbolically open the front door to welcome in the stranger because we were once strangers in the land of Egypt. And finally, what do we eat? Yes, we eat matzah, but we are also commanded to abstain from eating other grains. And those grains are categorized as chametz. They include wheat, barley, rye, oats, and spelt. And many families also don't eat corn or rice during this time. And not only are we not supposed to eat them, but traditionally we clean our houses of them as well, so that all we have are the foods that we are allowed to eat during this time. If you're looking for more information on how to celebrate Passover, like how to host a Seder, or what I really feed my kids during Passover, check out the box below. I've got all kinds of links there for you. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I am Everyday Jewish Mom everywhere. And check out these videos.